Today I am going to show you how to make piston valve or engine valve in SolidWorks. So let's begin. At first click here and select part, click OK. Now go to sketch and click on this sketch, and from here select front plane. Now select line, and from this point draw a line, straight line. Now make this line, and now another line. Select. Now select 3-point arc. Now from this point draw a 3-point arc. Okay. Now select line again, and from this point select line. Okay. Now select smart dimension and take this one. Take this one 85.55 millimeter. Now this one 26.67 millimeter. Now this one 1.27 millimeter, and this distance take 3.81 millimeter, and this angle 45 degree, and take this radius 15.25 degree. Now take this distance 3.16 millimeter. Okay. Now select this line, press on Ctrl, select this line and make them tangent. Okay. Now click on OK. Now go to features, select on revolve boss or base, and now axis of revolution, select this one. Okay. So you are almost done. Just one thing is left at this point. For this one, select chamfer. Now take this one 1.25 millimeter and select this point. Okay. Now let's apply the material. Now edit material, and from here go to iron and select ductile iron, apply, close. Now go for appearance, double click on this one, so this one has been selected. Okay. Now from here change the background, select rooftop. Okay. So this our engine valve or piston valve. Friends, if you think that this video is useful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos, and if you have any question you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.